Welcome to Living in Lakeland. We're back again, and I'm Elizabeth Willers with eXp Realty on the Willers Homes team, and I have here with me
Carly Bruder.
So today's topic is a seller's tip, and we're going to be talking about FSBOs. And for all of you who don't know what that means,
For sale by owner.
there we go. So a lot of people think it's so easy to sell their home. All they have to do is go to Home Depot, get a sign. Well, we're here to tell you there's a lot more than putting a sign like this in your backyard.
Absolutely.
So first of all, you need to hire an expert. Why? Because experts like realtors, they get 26% more than for sale by owners when they try selling their homes.
Yep. Yeah. We have a whole database of buyers that we have access to that might be interested in your home that aren't going to see your home because it's listed for sale by owner. It's not on the market. And even if it's on Zillow, there's only a small section of Zillow that is dedicated to those for sale by owner homes. And you have to click on that to look at them. So it's not populating with the rest of the listings on the MLS.
And a lot of buyers don't want to go on for sale by owners Zillow to see. They want to go with a realtor, a professional, because they don't know what they're going to get with the homeowner. So that's another reason. The other thing why you want to use a realtor and not be a for sale by owner is you want to have an expert on pricing. So I feel like after 9 years of experience, I am an expert on pricing. I can look at the comps. I can look at what's pending. I can look at things that are about to sell, and I can offer the best price possible so you can sell it right away.
Yeah. And then another thing is it takes a lot of dedication to sell your house. It doesn't happen in a day. Sometimes it does, but not often with for sale by owner. And you're going to have a lot of showing requests. You're going to have inspections. There's going to be a lot of things that you need to have your house clean and you need to leave the house for. And you need to set all that up yourself if you're selling it
And
yourself.
why would you want to do that? Okay, I know why, because they want to save money. They want to save that commission. Well, they're going to end up paying a commission to the buyer's agent anyway. Plus, who else do they have to pay?
They have to pay lawyers, actually, because you can't write those contracts up yourself. So you're going to need to hire a lawyer, and
because you don't want that liability. You definitely want the contracts done and the disclosures done and all that. And hiring a lawyer, why not hire the realtor? Because the lawyer is only going to do the paperwork part of it and the closing part that you have to pay for. But we, as realtors, do the stuff at the beginning, the most important things. The other thing is I am a certified negotiation expert. Why would you want to negotiate the sale of your own home? You're emotional. You get very upset if the buyer says your rooms are too small or whatever. So you definitely need a certified negotiation expert to help sell your home. Is there any other reason why a for sale by owner would need to use a realtor instead of them going through the aggravation? And I thought of another thing.
okay.
Vetting the buyers.
Oh,
we as realtors, we don't show a home without vetting them. Do you have the tool to vet that buyer? Do you want anyone to just come through your home?
Yeah. And do you know if that buyer even has the funds to purchase that house? How are you checking that? So
Right. And we know the documents to ask for to make sure that they are legit and they have the money. So I think that is enough information on for sale by owners. If you're thinking about selling, don't be a for sale by owner. Don't
do
get
it.
one of these.
Get rid of this.
Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Hire a professional.
yeah. So next week we are going to be coming back with another buyer's tip for you guys.
And
what are we going to do next week?
We're going to have a special guest.
Special guest, Jonathan Roby, our preferred lender. You guys have heard all about him. He's the best. And we're going to be talking about
assumable mortgages.
Woo! So stay tuned, guys. See you guys next week and follow us for more.
Bye.